we were talking. I think Jack gave us some good points. He also talked
Yes.
about honesty and trusting and being sincere. That is
Mm-hmm.
very important. I think being genuine, uh, with your with your friends is very important. Most of the times
Mm.
we are uh, thinking about our own concerns, such as what others will think of us, what we should say next, what our next action is,
Yeah.
you know and so we miss the whole point of friendship. You can work on the presentation aspects, such as how you look, what you say, and how you say things, but don't be obsessed about them. I mean, these actions don't truly define the friendship. What defines the friendship is the connection between you and your friend. So
Mm-hmm.
show warmth, love, and respect towards everyone you meet. Do things because you want to and not because you have to. You know, caring for your friend is
Oh,
important. Care for them like you would
yeah.
care for yourself. And I think if you approach others with um, sincerity, genuinity, you will attract people who want to connect, who want to have genuine friends. And I think
I agree.
among them will be your future true friends, your good friends. So being genuine is very important.
Yes，对，I agree 啊，Lookman 就是说真诚啊，真诚就是能够交到更多的朋友，这是非常重要的。I mean, we come to this world and we live short life.
Hmm.
Now for me, I'm 31 years old. Who knows how many years I'm going to live left?
Yeah. Hmm.
So I don't want to pretend. You feel so tired if you pretend things. You
Hmm.
want to be real you. Just like you go back home, you want to lie down and maybe throw off your clothes on the floor.
Hmm.
That's real me. If that's real me, I mean, I want to be having this easy or maybe relaxing status no matter where I go.
Hmm.
And it's the
Yes.
same about relationship. You don't want to pretend and to fake your identity in front of others, and
Yeah.
you dislike yourself.
Hmm.
Mhm.
Yes.
Even though you make more friends
Hmm.
by faking your identity being someone else, you wouldn't like yourself.
Yeah.
That's what I think.
Yes. Yes.
Yes，当
Absolutely.
然很多人可能他们确实可能通过其他一些方法交到一些更多的朋友，但是那是真正的朋友吗？就自己待着是舒服的吗？要假装吗？还是说就做真实的自己呢？这个是我们要考虑的问题。所以我们在讲的是说，让自己舒服的朋友，你能交到很多吗？就如果说通过恰当的方法。
Yeah.
OK，so
I
that's
think,
it。
yeah, getting to know the person you want to be friends with is also very important, because a friendship is about both you and the other person. Getting to know the person as an individual is important. I mean, in a friendship, you can't just think about yourself. You can't just, keep telling what do you want to do in your life, what is your hobby, and what do you want to achieve in life. It's important for you to know your friend very well. I mean, some things that you really want to know, because you want to have a strong bond with this person. You need to know a lot of things about this person. So what does he or she do? What is your friend's hobbies? What has he been or she been doing recently? uh, what are your friend's upcoming priorities or goals? What does he or she values the most? What are the things that motivates him or her, and what are his passions in life? What are his dreams? What are his goals? What does he think about people in general? What kind of um, uh, people does he want to have in his life? So these are the kind of things. Of course, you know about yourself, but you would really want to know all these details about your friends as well. So getting to know your friend is very important. It's not about you can't be a true friend of someone if you tell him everything about yourself, but you're not interested in listening to him. You've never asked him, okay,
Yes.
yeah, what does he want to do?
Yeah.
What are the things, important things in his life? So getting to know others
Yes.
is important.
Everyone wants to be understood,
Yeah.
and not just to you. Yes. So sometimes save some energy. Don't let go all your stories at once, and give others some time to let them express their opinions. 就卢克曼说，很多时候我们去跟别人交谈的时候，我们容易忘记别人的存在，都在讲自己的事情。但是去听一听别人的想法，听一听别人的故事，是一个非常重要的。不仅仅说是亲密的人，就是朋友之间也要做到这一点，这样才是一个有来有往的过程。没有，大家都不是很喜欢就一直听别人讲话吧，还是有自己的话要讲的。那既然如此，就要站在别人的角度也去想一想，给别人一些时间。刚才连过了，今天就不连了。今天我们两个人再讲讲就结束了。OK, so thank you, Jack. And look, man, I am so grateful recently. I mean, more than grateful. You know, our center is a mess recently, I would say, because we lack stuff. And I think it's because everybody was so sincere, and we have been so sincere to each other. I mean, the teachers in our teaching department. So when we are having this crisis, we don't blame each other. We just volunteer to do the job. Maybe the job, this work doesn't belong to me, but I do it. And others would ask me, Olivia, Julie, they would ask, Emma, could you get that done? Should I help you? Of course, not that direct, straightforward, but we help each other to in some way, like and they wouldn't get offended if I ask for help, and I wouldn't feel offended, and if they ask me for help, I wouldn't say, oh, because I'm the manager of the department, so I shouldn't do your job. I mean, it's like sharing the burden together, and in this process, you acquire more than this colleague. You acquire this friendship, which is the dearest part of the life.
Yeah.
We say, oh, you couldn't be friend to your colleague. Who says it? I really disagree. I mean, you are being with these people every day, 5 days a week, for us 6 days a week, 8 hours a day, and you say they're not my friends, they're just colleagues, and I don't like any of them. How can that be possible? So I would say, if possible, try to make people your friends. I mean, of course, you'll find the good target and the right people. But don't be enemy to everyone, and don't just give this definition to the people you know, saying that they are colleagues, they are strangers, they are acquaintances, and I will not be friends with them. Try to build some connection, at least giving each other a chance and try to understand each other. I think that's